This is the daily process that we do every single day for logic board repair when you have a liquid damage or power damage in the logic board, or video issues. A lot of video issues also, CPUs. Usually this happens either for a short or liquid damage by itself. The sooner that we get the logic boards here, the better. So let me show you what he's still working on getting the logic board ready. Once he get that part ready, he will be able to do the replacement. You see that? Those are the two components that are going to be replaced. So now, as you can see, this is a very delicate process. I'm here just trying to get it done. That's why we have to do the microscope. You won't be able to do this without the right tools. So we have that in our office. So we're able to repair any logic board for computers. So now he's gonna use the heat gun. He's applying the heat to the logic board. And then he's gonna do the next one. Okay, silence, because this is like a surgery. Okay. So when he complete that process, then we should be able to test the logic board and continue with the repair. I'm gonna show you the end of it. It's already done. So this is it. Seems that everything is in place. Everything looks okay. And hopefully we have this logic board from the MacBook Pro A1706 ready to work. 2 minutes ago, I just got my tech told me that we actually have the logic board with the power. Let me just show you. So we got the logic board that we removed the components right here, and we got the one that we were working. It's still hot, so it's right there. So we're gonna go ahead and show you what I was telling you before. You see now it's negotiating. Yeah. Now we have 20 volts. Perfect. Great. We got a good news. Before we didn't have 20 volts, so that's why we were doing the replacement of the components. We replaced the U3200 component, which is right there, that component. So now we are ready to continue with the troubleshooting. Okay, so we're gonna be testing the logic board. We're gonna measure. So it seems that it's already on. So let's see what happens. We're gonna put them into the computer, most likely, because we already have the 20 volts, as you guys saw on this tester that we have. We're gonna put them into the computer, and we're gonna test it to see if we're able to get the unit back to life.
This is corrosion.
This is where the area where the corrosion was, you see, on the computer. This wasn't done by us, okay? It was in another lab. We don't do that. We have everything labeled like this, so we don't have anything that is lost in the middle. So now we have this logic board that's going to be placed on the computer. Let's see what happens. He's going to connect it And I want you to keep the video live just for you to see that the whole process, how it goes. Because sometimes, you know, it's the same logic board that we were working. You could see it because of that. So it's not another logic board. It's the one that we were working. So now he's gonna clean it. He's gonna clean that area. He's cleaning it with the alcohol, 99%. See, now the area is clean. And he's cleaning that area as well. See, part of the, not every liquid damage requires ultrasonic cleaning, but this is a deep cleaning. We have to clean all the areas that are affected. So let me show you how it looks now. You see, it's a little bit different. It's clean. Some cases we use an external keyboard, but because of the way that this unit has the keyboard and the trackpad and the components, we'll have to test it inside the case. This is a MacBook Pro 1706 that our customer brought it to the Apple store, and they said because it's a liquid damage that it was not fixable. They have to replace the logic board in order to recover the unit. So we're doing now our repair, and then we're gonna see if after this replacement we're able to get the unit back to life. So we're trying to get it done this as soon as possible. But this is the type of work that requires patience and knowledge. So don't try to do this at home, because this is not for everyone. You need to know what you're doing. Otherwise, it's gonna be a mess. We had those before. The customers that they try to replace certain components because they see, oh yeah, this is easy, and they don't see the whole process. So it's a little complex. So don't try this at home if you don't know what you're doing. Okay, so we're connecting now, and it's negotiating 20 volts. The fans, let me see.
El fan no arranca todavía.
The fan is not running yet. As I mentioned a few moments ago, this is a test after we replace the component and see if this is gonna give us any life. So far, not locked. So we're gonna keep doing. We're gonna be testing and see what happens. Sometimes it's something so simple, sometimes it's something complex after we do the replacements. The computer is back in business. So let me show you what, well, a few moments ago we tried to connect. We thought everything was okay, perfect, after we changed the components. And let me, now I can see better. Okay, so what we did was we connect our, let me show you. So now the unit is back in business. It's running perfect, great. So what we did is we connect the power. We thought the battery was okay, but no. So we left the power connected for a few moments. It's been like 10 minutes. And then what we did, we are booting the unit with our testing, we have a testing USB, okay? And now the unit is up and running. Some components are not connected at the moment. We don't have the Wi-Fi connected, but what we wanted to see now is that the unit is able to get back in business. The two components that we removed. So this part of the logic board, as you can see it here, let me show you the one that we use as parts. So what we changed were the components in this area. and it's used, and we see the cover. That's where the water was. So over there is part of the unit that we're gonna be installing in a few. Okay, so the unit is done. As far as our work, the unit is completely done. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put all the pieces together. We're gonna put them into the QA area. We have a QA area in another section where another technician is gonna review the unit. Once he's doing the QA, we're gonna show you what we do in our QA to make sure that everything is working. We're gonna put the customer hard drive. We never work with the hard drive of our customers, just to make sure, because something happens. That's why we use our testing hard drive to do all the repairs. Now we're gonna put the customer hard drive. We're gonna put everything together, and the unit should be fine because right now it's running. Okay, guys, thank you, and see you in a bit.